Hi, Stuart Smith here, Melbourne Application Engineer for Control Logic. And today we're going to have a look at this little ACS355 Solar pump drive from ABB. And in particular we're going to look at one of the features of this drive, which is pump cleaning. So this drive's got a lot of nice features in that this drive's actually got solar MPP tracking software, so it can run off, assembled different ways. It can run off a grid supply, as we've done here. I've disconnected it from the PV array and brought it inside. It can run on dual, so it can have a grid supply or a generator supply onto it, single or three phase, depending on the drive. Or it can run just off solar PV. If you're in a remote location where you don't want power, don't want to put a Jenny in, it's not a critical pumping application like irrigation, but if you're just filling up a dam, straight up on solar PV is fine. So I've hooked this drive up, as I said, with 240 volt supply, this one. So I've hooked up my little demo motor. I haven't got a pump on it because I don't want to run my pump dry. So I've got my little mini pump here. And of course, this work should be done by a licensed electrician. Do it yourself at your own risk. So anyway, we're going to go through, and what we're going to look at today is pump cleaning. So pump cleaning is an application if you've got some residue or some foreign matter on your pump. You can run it with one parameter. Once you've got it set up in your system, you can enter one parameter. It will go through a three-step sequence and go through forward, reverse with some plays you have to put in to suit your application, of course, and then off you go. The good thing too is if you buy a pump off us and you can let us know what your application is or your problem is, I can write you a tech note that lets you set up this. I read the manual and I set up this drive in a couple of minutes to go through this sequence, so you can too. So anyway, we'll have a look. So, parameter 6021, already got us through to there. It wasn't that hard. Just go through the parameter list, put your time delays in and the length of time you want the pump to run and how fast. And it's just waiting for this one parameter. So there we go. As soon as you put it, so what it does, it's going to go through a complete three-step sequence. Maybe next time we'll cut it down a bit shorter. One thing you have to be very aware of on this, you bought a reasonably complex piece of equipment, so you should have some knowledge about drives, solar PV, control systems, but it's not that hard. If you're willing to read the manual, you can do it. So as it runs through this sequence, it does this automatically. So what it is, if you put a pump into a remote location, you can, and someone has an issue, you can send this tech note out or get them to give us a phone call, and a farmer or anyone who's out and about and he's got one of these pumps on a remote property can come along, find their way through the menu, step through, put the parameter in for this pump cleaning, take ownership of the drive, look after it themselves. So you can see the potential for saving a lot of money in travel, heartache. So there you go. So we've got the spinning stew, not the spinning pump, but you can see the idea is just going through a sequence forward and reverse. Just be very aware that take responsibility for the application. A lot depends on your pump type, the medium that's being pumped, what's getting stuck in it. So there's probably a bit of tuning to get it set up, but after that, it's not really an issue. Okay, so that's our sequence, three forwards and reverses, and your pump's clean. So, all the best. Cheers.